Hi guys, welcome to Wentworth. Our clients have come to us with an amazing large site in the heart of South Caringbah. We've designed and we're currently building them a striking box modern style duplex. Our clients are keen to have this duplex built as quickly as possible so they can be sure to sell their investment side before Christmas. So we needed to ensure that we chose products that would help us achieve this fast build time. So that's why we chose the James Hardie product. On this build, we've chosen the Stria cladding in the 325mm, Axon cladding in the 133mm smooth. With Stria cladding, the boards are joined with a horizontal shiplap joint. So once the first board is leveled and fixed to the frame, the following will just sit on it, making the installation much easier and faster. The Axon cladding features the shiplap joint on the long edges for easy and quick installation. And you can gun nail to timber frames to speed up the installation process even more. Both Stria and Axon cladding provide really strong dramatic lines that work really well with the bold box shape of this project. We love the versatility of the James Hardie product. Their diverse product line has so many different profiles and finishes, and the products work so well together. We can't wait to show you in more detail when this project is completed. Thanks to the James Hardie products, we're almost done with the install, and we are so keen to see another modern look come to life.